How's it going? It's Rocky. So it's 1:15 in the Pacific Coast. The US market closed at 1 p.m. And if you're new to futures, essentially the futures market will go for another hour up to 2 p.m. And then it has a pause for another hour, and then the new day, quote unquote, starts at 3 p.m. So trading the futures actually gives you what they call 24/6 or something along those lines. And basically, today was one of those days again with almost a perfect V recovery. You can see here, it's a nice little V from when it opened at around 6:30, kept going up, and then 7 a.m. Pacific Coast, it dipped. It dipped quite a bit for about 500 points or so, and then was able to recover towards the end of the day. And before we go through my thoughts on some of the trades that I took today, I just wanted to show you what's going on with the market. I think a lot of people are perplexed. I don't know what's really going on, but all three major indexes did make it to green to end the day, with the S&P snapping a 4-day losing streak. So I do like to look at CNBC as one of my sources for news when doing these type of things. And just to go through how I did for the day, I do post my daily snapshot from my Thinkorswim. You can see on the YM, I was able to, this is my hedge account. I was able to get $815 for the day. That's just out of 2 trades. So it was nice to be able to short 2 of those. I wish I had took advantage of that little dip in the morning, but I was not available at that time. And then the MYM, this is the hedge. And with this hedge, it's a significant PL open here. Lost a lot of that on Tuesday, but happy to say that we recovered about 1,030 for the day. So that gave us a day total of $1,853.18. So now going back to our charts again, my goal for this is really, get it done in less than 5 minutes to just give you my thoughts. So we have about 3 minutes left, and just wanted to point out how this looks pretty much on this is the time-based chart I'm showing here. The yellow line is pretty much the close from the previous day. I draw that manually just so I have a good idea of how it's doing for the existing day. If you know a way to automate this on Thinkorswim, please do let me know. I'll just go through one of my trades that I did. Essentially, I couldn't sleep last night, so I entered a trade at about 11:10 p.m. the Pacific Coast. You can see here I did 1, 2, 3, 4 shorts. Did about 12:20. So this is right when the EU market opens. So there's a lot of activity normally in that. So if I'm awake, I try to take advantage of it. And basically my average for all those 4 was 33,165, which I don't denoted on this red line here, which is kind of hard to see on the time-based chart. But I always switch it to the tick-based chart. Tick-based here, you can see that, this is the red line where my average was on the short. So what that meant was anything above this line means that I was losing money, and anything below it means that I was making money. And what was cool, or not so cool really, is like I was able to exit this before this upswing this morning. So this morning at around 5:38 in the morning, I do have alerts that wakes me up, and basically I was able to exit that. So I just want to bring the calculator here. Now we got 2 minutes left. I just want to point out exactly how we did on this existing trade. And basically our average was 33,165. Move that a little bit to the right so you can see the number. And we covered at 33,129.75. So essentially that was 35.25 points, and we traded 4 contracts where 1 contract is $5. So 4 contracts is $20. So you multiply that by 20. So for that one trade that I did during the European market hours, it got us $705. So just wanted to go through that one trade that I did before the V that occurred. As you can see here, it's more pronounced with the tick base. And then I also did another trade towards the end of the power hour here. Just a quick one from 209 to 187. So we can do that math real quick. 33,209. And I'm going to bring this up so you can actually see it. Minus 33,187. Oops, that did not. Oh yeah, mistake there. 33,209 minus 33,187. That's 22 points. I only traded 1 contract on that one, so just multiplied it by 5. So that was about $110 for a trade that really started at 12:42 to basically 12:47. So 5 minutes of that. But yep, that's just my thoughts for the day and really the trades that I took. I think we hit the 5 minute mark, so I'm doing better at this to just trying to get it done in under 5 minutes. It'll be a interesting day tomorrow. My prediction is hopefully it'll be a bullish, strong bullish day, but do not take that as an advice. That's just what I'm hoping for, and usually what I hope for does not actually occur. Anyway, that's my daily content in under 5 minutes. Give me some thoughts on the comments on how we can improve this. And if you didn't like what you saw today, well, give me another chance and hopefully we'll improve.